Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall explore the 30 motivational quotes about business. So let's start our video. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Henry David Thoreau. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. If you really look closely, most overnight success look a long time. Steve Jobs. Don't be afraid to give the good to go for the great. John D. Rockefeller. Opportunities do not happen, you create them. Chirish Grocer. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Don't be impressed by your failures. Learn from them and start again. Richard Branson. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. If you are not a risk taker, you should get the hell out of business. Ray Kroc. Chase the chase the vision, not the money. The money will be end up following you. Tony Hayes. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Henry Ford. It's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. Scott Belkse. Success is walking from failure to failure with no less of enthusiasm. Winston Churchill. If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help build theirs. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by dreams in your heart. Roy T. Bennett. Success seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving, they make mistakes, but they don't quit. Conrad Hilton. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Mark Zuckerberg. If you don't drive your business, you will be driven out of business. B.C. Falls. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. It's fine to celebrate success, but it's more important to heed the lesson of failure. Bill Gates. Risk more than others think is safe. Dream more than others think is practical. Howard Schultz. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Don't worry about failure. You only have to be right once. Drew Huston. There is no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Colin Powell. If you enjoyed this episode, hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until then, next time. Stay positive, stay hopeful, and keep moving forward. Don't afraid from failure. Start your own work or business. Start